Hello everyone, thank you for coming back for another cooking episode with Life of Pang. Let's start out by mixing our dry ingredients together. And if you're new to my channel, you can find the full recipe in the information text box right below this video in YouTube. So make sure you open this video in the YouTube app or on your computer web browser to see that information. I'm trying to eat a little bit more healthy, so I'm substituting flour with half a cup of ground flaxseed. Also, I like my desserts not very sweet, so I have cut the sugar in half. I also use coconut oil instead of vegetable oil for this recipe. I added more zucchini, and you can use about 2 cups or 2.5 cups. I have 2 cups in this recipe right here. And for those that are new to my cooking videos, I bake in my rice cooker. And the reason I do that is because I do not have an oven and it's just way too hot. For this recipe, I filled it up to almost line 3, and that's pretty good. You don't want to go any more than that because it will take a lot longer to cook. And let's start our first cook. And what I usually do is the minute I press the button, I'll put on a timer for 30 minutes. And I do that because I keep forgetting to come back and push that button. For those of you new to baking your rice cooker, the rice cooker will stay on this cooked state for only 5 minutes, and then it will go into the warm state. And this is completely normal. As you know, when you're cooking rice, there's a lot of water in there, and we're baking, so there's not a lot of liquid in the rice cooker, so it does need to cool down and go into this warm state. But don't worry, during this warm state, your cake is still baking. So try not to open the rice cooker until after the 2nd or 3rd cook cycle. And if you try pushing that cook button and it doesn't want to stay on the cook status and keeps going back to warm, that just means it needs a longer period to cool down. So give it another 10 minutes and then try to push that cook button again. Smell that. And after the 3rd cooking cycle, looks like the chopstick is coming up clean. I use my chopstick to check. This zucchini cake is nice and brown, and it's because of the cinnamon and the ground flaxseed. So we're ready to let this cool. I usually take it out of my rice cooker and set it on the rack to cool. Let it cool about 10-20 minutes. To easily remove your cake, put a plate over your rice cooker and turn it upside down. And now just use your hand and turn it right side back up. Cutting into this cake feels nice and moist.
Uh-oh.
You will love this healthy version of my zucchini bread. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you watching my video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please help me out by hitting that subscribe button. Also, if you want to get notified when I upload new videos, make sure you hit that bell icon. And I should hope you come back and watch more videos. But until next time, I will see you later.